Good day, it goes random again. What we are going to talk about today is the difference of modem, router, access point, mesh system, and a Wi-Fi repeater. Before continuing to the video, please subscribe to my YouTube channel to be updated on random stuff. Let's start. Modem, the internet gateway. Think of the modem as the bridge between your home network and the vast world of the internet. It's the device that connects to your internet service provider, ISP, whether that's through cable, DSL, or fiber optic lines. Modulation and demodulation. The modem's primary job is to modulate and demodulate signals. It translates the signals coming from your ISP into a format that your router can understand, and vice versa. Analogy. Imagine the modem as the customs officer at a border crossing. It checks the incoming internet traffic and prepares it for entry into your home network. Pros. The essential gateway to the internet. Relatively simple to set up and use. Various options for different internet types. Cable, DSL, fiber. Cons. Limited functionality. Only connects you to your ISP. A single point of failure for your internet connection. Might require professional installation. Router. The traffic director. The router is the central hub of your home network. It takes the internet signal from the modem and distributes it to all your devices. Computers, smartphones, tablets, etc. Network creation. The router creates your local network, often called a LAN local area network. It assigns IP addresses to each device, ensuring they can communicate with each other and with the internet. Routing traffic. The router directs data traffic within your network and to the internet. It decides the most efficient path for information to travel. Analogy. The router is like the traffic controller at a busy intersection, directing cars' data packets to their correct destinations. Pros. The central hub of your home network manages traffic and provides Wi-Fi. Offers security features like firewalls, allows for both wired and wireless connections. Cons. Can be complex to configure advanced settings. A single router might not cover a large area effectively. Can become a bottleneck if overloaded. Access point AP. Wireless signal broadcaster. An access point is a device that creates a Wi-Fi network. It connects to your router, usually via an Ethernet cable, and broadcasts a wireless signal that your devices can connect to. Extending wireless coverage. Access points are often used to extend the range of an existing Wi-Fi network or to create a separate Wi-Fi network. Analogy. Think of an access point as a radio station, broadcasting a Wi-Fi signal that your devices can tune into. Pros. Creates a dedicated Wi-Fi network, improving performance, extends Wi-Fi coverage to dead zones, can handle more devices than a single router, allows for separate guest networks. Cons. Requires Ethernet wiring to the router. Adds to the overall cost of your network setup. Managing multiple APs can be more complex than a single router. Mesh Wi-Fi system. Unified network with multiple points. A mesh Wi-Fi system consists of multiple devices, nodes that work together to create a seamless Wi-Fi network throughout your home. Intelligent routing. Unlike traditional routers or extenders, mesh systems use intelligent routing to direct traffic between nodes, ensuring optimal performance and coverage. Seamless roaming. With a mesh network, you can move around your home without losing your Wi-Fi connection, as your devices seamlessly switch between nodes. Analogy. A mesh Wi-Fi system is like a network of interconnected radio stations, all broadcasting the same signal, ensuring consistent coverage throughout a large area. Pros. Provides seamless whole-home Wi-Fi coverage, easy to set up and manage via user-friendly apps, intelligently routes traffic for optimal performance, scalable, add more units as needed. Cons. More expensive than traditional routers or repeaters, can introduce some latency as data hops between units. Proper placement of units is crucial for optimal performance. Wi-Fi repeater extender, signal amplifier. A Wi-Fi repeater, also known as a range extender, takes an existing Wi-Fi signal from your router and rebroadcasts it to extend its range. Simple extension. Repeaters are a relatively simple and affordable way to improve Wi-Fi coverage in areas with weak signals. Potential drawbacks. Repeaters can sometimes reduce overall network speed and may create a separate network name, requiring you to manually switch between networks. Analogy. A Wi-Fi repeater is like a megaphone, amplifying the Wi-Fi signal from your router to reach farther. Pros. Affordable way to extend Wi-Fi range, simple plug-and-play setup. Cons. Can significantly reduce overall network speed, prone to interference, sometimes creates a separate Wi-Fi network you have to switch to. Not very effective in areas with extremely weak signals. To summarize this, here are some key points. Modem. The modem connects your home to the internet by translating signals from your internet provider. Router. The router directs traffic within your home network and shares the internet connection among your devices. Access point. The access point creates a Wi-Fi network, extending wireless coverage from your router. Mesh Wi-Fi system. A mesh system uses multiple units to create a seamless, whole-home Wi-Fi network with intelligent routing. And lastly, Wi-Fi repeater. The repeater amplifies an existing Wi-Fi signal to extend its range, but can often reduce overall speed. But remember that there are always some considerations here. For example, the modem. Some of the internet service providers are using a modem router. So the modem and router are already combined, so you do not need to buy a router to have Wi-Fi access if you will use it only in a home setup. It really depends on what you want to achieve in your own home or office network. Thank you very much for watching. I hope you enjoy the video and learn something in it. By the way, this is It Goes Random. See you again next time.